Tree branch fell down on this this garage here. It was during a windstorm a few weeks back. We actually got a string of calls from that same windstorm for a few roof repairs, and this is one of the bigger ones. Tree branch fell down and took out the power line, so we're getting the mast on today. This has taken us about 4 days total to do. We had to get the framing done on the first and second day. We got the T111, which acts as sheathing as well, done on the second day, and then we started buttoning it up, everything for the roof. Roofing crew's gonna come in tomorrow and bust this thing out in 1 day. Pretty fun and easy project to do so far. That's not pretty quick and efficient.